Kriyaga initiation. What does it mean, initiation? In means inside, within. We have started searching God everywhere, but we couldn't find. We were searching God in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, reading it. I remembered all verses, still I did not experience presence of God. I remember all sutras of Maharshi Patanjali, still I am not knowing where is God. I have read Kabir Das ji, Nanak Dev ji. I have read all scriptures, Bible, Quran, everything. I have learned Buddha's teaching, Mahavir Swami teaching, but I don't know where is God. Then I have to practice initiation. In means inside. Now learn science of going inside. Then how to go inside? Try to learn this, that's all. This is called the Kriya Yoga initiation. Initiation highest practice is Kriya Yoga. Kriya means any kind of activity. Kriya is a word, is derived from the verb kri. Kri means to do. To do means imagination is also Kriya. I am planning, that is also Kriya. I am thinking, also Kriya. I am using my eyes and ear and nose and tongue and touch perception, legs and arms, everything, that is also Kriya. Serving plants, animals, human beings, and looking after the field, everything is Kriya. Try to do all activities with the principle of Kriya Yoga science. Then we will experience the state of yoga. Yoga is called the ultimate things what we have to realize. Yoga means realization of this truth, what Holy Science explains, very beginning, God alone exists, nothing else. Page number 25, chapter 1, Gospel, God alone exists. God is all in all. God is only Sat, truth, nothing else. If God is all in all, then me and you, this universe, we observe this, you cannot say this is the false. It is there. It means God has become this. God is immortal, yes. Then everything should be immortal. Science has discovered atoms are immortal, energies are immortal, thoughts, ideas are immortals, molecules are immortals, sky is immortal, air is immortal. This is correct. It means God has become all. If God has become all, try to know the God. How you will know God? There is a principle, neti neti. What is meaning of neti? Na plus iti. Iti means one go direct, dissect this word it, you will find this much. Whatever I see, this much. Whatever I listen, this much. Whatever I think, this much. Now, what I am thinking, it is not only that, it is more and more. Oh, you are my best friend. Okay, all right, but neti, not only you are alone. Oh, he is also my best friend. Okay, all right. Again neti. No, he is everything, even plants and animals, devils and angels, all are my best friend. This is called neti neti. It means God has become all. Who is different? Only God alone is different. Therefore, neti neti principle explains more and more. More and more. How much money you want? This much. No, I want more. Why I want more? Because I have so many my family members, all human beings. I have to help them. Through money they will get help? No, but little they need. For food they need. To purchase some equipments for business they need. In farming they need. In doing anything they need. Some amount they need. I am not telling give them $1 million, give them $1 billion, no. As if some amount should be there. It means how much amount is necessary, what is the population of the persons who are lazy in the world. So many members are lazy. Then we have to train them how to become active, how to get rid of laziness, then distribute the fund with the teaching how to use it. Then how much money you need? Countless. Then what people think that I am very spiritual, I am satisfied with my own mean. What is my salary? I am very well satisfied in that. I do not spread the arms. I do not increase my desire. I have limited my desire. This is called the biggest worldly affair. What is the spiritual affair? We need minimum. What is the minimum? Infinite. Less than infinite, we do not need anything. Oh, we want blanket. How many blankets? Persons who are very lazy, they don't work, they are feeling cold. After teaching how to get rid of laziness, give them blanket. Otherwise, when you are giving them blanket, if they are lazy, they'll make it so dirty, so filthy, full of bacteria and virus. What is our mission? To help them did not work. Our education should be how to have our journey of consciousness from the dark phase to the clean phase, from the dark heart to clean heart. Kriya Yoga initiation performs this job very nicely. If you practice Kriya Yoga initiation, very fast development you will find. But when development very fast, your habit will change. If you are not changing your habit, you cannot practice. Suppose that you are newborn baby, you are taking mother's milk. Tomorrow you become 20 years age. Again you cannot take your mother's milk, you have to eat food. You have to change your habit. If you are crying, no, I want mother's milk, where is my mother? I do not want this roti and chawal and this and fruits, I don't want it. It means you should not attain the age of 20 years so quickly. Therefore remember, if you are practicing initiation, your system will go very high, you have to change your habit. Do not stick with the old habit. If you are sticking your old habit, you cannot practice. But here is a different habit. When you are practicing Kriya Yoga, then your heart has become propelled heart. Your all habit will change. Habit of vision, hearing, touch, taste, smell, thinking, imagination, all will change. Lifestyle will change. And when you came to the steady heart, everything will change. Imagine you have become the clean heart, all habit will change, everything will change. And people will not understand you. Therefore decide yourself, are you going to change? Great Prophet Kabir has said, you have to burn your house of habit, house of your ego, house of your understanding. If you have decided to burn it, to finish it, then follow me, otherwise don't come to me.